Yes, I just stopped at this this lake. Had my protein pudding. I needed to boost my energy levels. So I came to this road, as you saw, and there's a rule in Norway that you can't drive on roads that are covered in snow. So non-cleared roads are not it's not allowed to drive on. The only thing is, if you can drive on it with a regular car, like a two-wheel drive car, which is not lifted or anything, just a regular, you're allowed to drive. So I started driving here, but then I saw, you see the ski tracks here. So people are using this to go skiing, so I'm just gonna not drive here because there's still enough snow, and it's gonna be more snow the higher you go, and I don't want to ruin the tracks for or the possibility for others to go skiing. So yeah, just gonna leave it maybe for a day or two, because if this weather continue, it's going to melt through pretty fast. So you can see there was other guy who had been here with ATV. Is that just super? Let's see, with an ATV, who has also done the same. He has turned around. So that's just good, not ruining for others, even though it really want to drive this road. But I'm gonna stay here and fly my drone, practice for my A2 category license, putting down the hours to make sure I can do what is required of me if something is going to happen. So you need to practice like things like if you lose control over the drone, the drone loses its GPS signal, and yeah, stuff like that. So when it happens, when I'm out filming, I know what to do. It's just a reaction, not have to look it up or something like that. So yeah, but it's super beautiful here now. So taking out the drone and then flying. So this is the Mavic 2 with the Mavic 2 Pro with the Fly More kit. It has been working good. So low battery, and then you can just hit return to home. It will rise to the height that you have configured, which is for me 30 meters. I think that's standard. So then it will rise up, then clear the trees, and then go home and land by itself. So pretty nifty. So, and also if you kind of lose control of the drone, or you can't see it anymore, it's a good way to get it home and get control of the drone. So yeah, return to home, really nice. But let's change the batteries. Still have 2 batteries left. With the Fly More you get more batteries, so more fun, more flight time. Just like that, and you have 30 minutes more. Pretty far away, but I can still see it. It's at 300 meters, so I can still see it, but it's getting...
Maximum flight altitude reached.
I'm at 120, which is max altitude. Let's see if we can go back down. Gotta look around and see over here. So I live approximately over there, I think. Or as you can see, Trondheimsfjorden. Trondheim is over there somewhere. And this is just wilderness. So flying is going pretty good, and just used up my second battery. Trying out some different things. Playing around with the active track. It's pretty good. Just notice the quick shot. You can move around, and the camera will still follow you if you move. Even the drone will even turn around, so it's easier to just do some nice shots. But yeah, I think you're gonna do some active track and just follow Discovery. See if you could follow it up alongside the road. Maybe do yeah, just leave that the road. I just want to drive that road with the snow on, but yeah, I can't. Yep. Just drive down this road and then see if the active track can follow. I have had some trouble with when it come big trees in between. If it's open, a big tree and then open again, it have troubles follow me through that big tree, so it will stop, and I need to physically tap on the car again to get it to track. So yeah, but I'll try and do some close-up tracking. I think that's one of the coolest scenes, if you can use the drone to track pretty close. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, checking out the active track. So you can drive active track in Belos, also out of sight, beyond view of sight. If you're in, I think it's 50 meters, yeah, 50 meters away. So it's tracking. I'm not sure which speed we can track with, but we can test it out. It sounded pretty good. There's usually a problem with yeah, so it lost the tracking. Oh, it found it again. Okay, so it's having trouble with tracking when it's coming a bigger tree. So let's stop that, stop the tracking, fly above. Okay, so all done here, filming, testing the drone, and just gonna go home now, pick up my oldest again from the practice, and yeah, log some hours on the drone and see what more I need to practice on before I can send in the papers and get my A2 category certificate. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like the content, and we'll stay for more overlanding in Norway and full drives, and also when I start building the Discovery. So yeah, like button, subscribe, hit me with a comment if you have some question about flying the drone and regulation in Norway and in the EU. It's the same regulations. So yeah, see you next one.